Foxbody Shu 5.0 here, coming to you from the Mustang today. I'm heading on my way down to go ahead and meet that important person that I've been talking to you guys about, and do a little bit of work on the Mustang today. So I can't wait to go ahead and give you guys updates. Stay tuned and we'll see what today brings. Alright guys, Foxbody Shu 5.0 here, back with you guys to go ahead and wrap up my visit at Alternative Auto Performance with Lydia Wacabelli. And I tell you, I cannot be happier, guys. The SCT chip that he went ahead and tuned and put in the Mustang now, it makes this car run like a dream. This car hasn't ran this good in probably at least over a decade now. So shout out to Lydia. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. You know, I'll definitely go ahead and put your daughter in this, tag her in this video, you know, so that maybe she can pass it on to you and let you know. But I am so happy. You know, extremely great work that you went ahead and did, Lydia. Like I said, I'm just beyond excited and happy with the work that you went ahead and did and how the car is running and performing right now. So I'm getting ready to actually leave and head back home. All right guys, here we go. Initial drive home from the gas station, putting a little 93 octane in her and see how she goes. So here we go, guys. ride home here. Now for some pictures here of Lidio's shop, Alternative Auto Performance. This first one here is of his Mustang that he has. Here's of some of the cars that were in the shop during the time that I was there on that Friday afternoon. Here's my car up on the hoist. When they first get there, in order to run to the dyno, they have to go ahead and put a connector into it. This was a customer's car that was there, a nice 2019 Mustang that was getting an HP tune. This is Lidio's personal car. This is a 2020 GT500 that he purchased in December of 2020. And here's just a picture of my car on the dyno as he was doing the SCT tune on it and getting everything fine-tuned. Just another picture looking at the Stang on the dyno. Then this is a picture of the man himself, Lidio Acabelli. Again, he made his fame in the NMRA ranks and also through his shop here. And this is the sheet that he went ahead and gave me, and you can see there 236 peak horsepower with a max torque of 285. Not bad for just being pretty much a stock Mustang. So guys, that will actually wrap it up here for the video on this episode of Foxbody Shu 5.0. I hope that you guys went ahead and enjoyed what footage I was able to go ahead and get. Again, I wanted to respect Lidio's privacy of his own shop and everything. He did allow me to take pictures and do those kind of things, but I didn't want to go ahead and do like a full-fledged interview with him or any of those kind of things, or really record more than what I did just on the dyno and that of in his shop while I was there. I wanted to respect, him and his employees and all those kind of things. But man, tell you, if you're ever down in the greater Detroit area, look up Alternative Auto Performance, and Lidio Acabelli does a great job. For the newer Mustangs, he does HP tunes, and then for the older 5.0 Mustangs, he does the SCT tunes on those. So those are the two different tunes that he does on the dynos. But man, would highly recommend him. Does a great job for the price. And like I said, the Mustang is running better than it has in over 10 years now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe. Go ahead and give me comments, any kind of feedback. If you have questions, I'd be more than happy to go ahead and try to give you as much information I can. If you want a location, you can search up Alternative Auto Performance, Lidio Acabelli, and it will come up for you in the Google search. But a great guy, class act, one of a kind, and knows his stuff, guys. He's a great Ford tech. All right, so again, like, subscribe. Please go ahead and hit that bell so you can get that fresh stuff as soon as it comes out. And other than that, I will see you guys next time for Foxbody Shu 5.0. See you guys.